Hey, my name's Dave Sellick and I run an accounting practice called Sidgrove, and I've been using Datamolino for all of my invoice receipt capture for my clients and for myself when I was in industry for around the last 7 years or so. So I moved into my own practice, or started my own practice, around 2 years after using Datamolino as a head of finance, and then continued to use it in my practice, and I have found it to be the best tool for what it does. It is a tool for me that does everything that it needs to do very, very well and continues to iterate based on feedback, and yet also doesn't have all of the features, really importantly, that it doesn't need to have. This will be a subjective area, but for me, that's how I see it. I feel like the team at Datamolino are always really receptive to feedback. They're a great team. I back them just as much as I back the product. And if you are considering a tool in this space, for me, it has to be a tool you go and check out. I think it's underrated as a tool in comparison to the big guns like Dext, but it still gets my vote.